Can a $1 screw bring down a large aircraft? A giant machine, built from millions of tiny decisions. Immense scale and power, governed by small parts. Its size inspires awe, its safety lives in details. A couple of massive engines hang from swept-back wings. The fuselage is a long silver tube holding hundreds of lives. Yet this giant is composed of millions of smaller parts. Each bolt, each screw, and each wire is critical. A macro view reveals the universe within the machine. In the vast, echoing space of a maintenance hangar, a wide body rests. It is a patient beast under the care of its keepers. These are aircraft mechanics, the unsung heroes of modern aviation. A complex system of interconnected dependencies. A single overlooked detail can have cascading consequences. Their work is a silent contract, a promise of safety written in grease and metal. Tool chests of specialized instruments stand ready. The air smells of hydraulic fluid and metal polish. They are trained to see what others cannot, to hear the discordant note in a spinning turbine blade. Manuals and checklists guide them, no step skipped. The work is not about speed, it is about absolute accuracy. The torque wrench is a sacred instrument. It tightens bolts and nuts to exact specification. Too loose, parts migrate. Too tight, metal yields. So it is calibrated, regularly. Pressure is applied until the click confirms precise torque. Then comes safety wire, locking intent against vibration. A small, meticulous art form. Flight controls are moved, feeling for smooth response. Deflection angles are measured with precision. The cost of error is a constant, unspoken presence in the hangar. A small mistake, a moment of inattention, can have unimaginable consequences. An unsecured panel could strike a control surface or an engine. Contamination could freeze a flight control. At 37,000 feet, it enters a storm. The sky darkens. Rain. Ice. The aircraft shudders through turbulence. An alarm sounds. A warning light flashes. In this moment, the quiet work from weeks ago is tested by the storm. Correct tension against vibration, stress, and temperature. The discipline behind every fastener. The storm passes. The machine has held together. The airliner begins its descent. It comes home safely. For the mechanics, it is the fulfillment of a promise. Every correctly torqued bolt, every secured wire, every verified system, a quiet pride. It's not the price of the part, it's the precision that saves lives. If you want to see what actually happens behind the hangar doors, hit that subscribe button and join the crew. I am Uncle Torque, and I am here to show you the side of aviation the airlines do not want you to see. Stay safe, check your bolts, and I will see you on the next flight.